In this exercise, we will learn the ruler tool. The ruler tool basically is used to measure subjects or images in Photoshop. It is mostly used in projects of architecture or drawing of buildings. Okay, let's see how it'll work. If I move my cursor on Tools and right-click on the eyedropper tool, we can see the ruler tool underneath the color sampler tool. Or we can press Shift and I many times to select this tool. Okay, now I have selected this tool. For example, if I want to measure this image, I will click on this point and drag it to this point. If I drag it by holding the Shift key, then it will be a perfect straight line. Okay, we can now see above we have options that tell us width, height, angle, and length. Okay, now if I move my cursor on this point and press the Alt key on the keyboard, you can see it is showing an angle. That means we can create an angle. If I click and drag it to down, you will see we have another angle, and its length is also 2. Also, if we want to change the height or length, or we want to see length and height in a specific unit, for example in inches, pixels, or in feet, then we can go to the window menu and click on Info. And now you can see here the same details on the Info panel that are shown on the above control panel. Okay, if I click on the corner and choose Panel option, then here we can see our selected units. And we can also change it anytime we want to use it. Okay, let's cancel this. Above, we have a Measure Scale option, and this is a little bit advanced option, so we will not cover this option. And next, we have the Clear option, which will allow you to clear all the figures. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the Note tool.